word? It's your boy Dashinq, and we back with another one. Happy Sunday, people. Look, new shirts came in. They hot. Check out the community tab post. Hey, if you want to cop one, I'm going to be posting the link. Let me know. Get in the comments on that community post. Let me know if they fire or not. These the real ones. These ain't the, you know what I mean? Let me know. But we finna get this day started. Let's go. First order of the day, y'all, is a Starbucks. It's bogus. It's a $3 for 0.3 miles. So that means it's right at one of these buildings over here. Somebody just don't want to come get it. So we doing it. Yeah, it's getting chilly out here. It's getting cold outside. Look, rain camera. We got second order Starbucks once again. You know what I'm saying? This is a $5 for 2.7 miles. Last one was a bogus one, $3 for 0.3, but we're gonna keep on moving, man. Let's see what Sunday come with. Hey, back at you, rain camera. All right, we got a Taco Bell, $7.50 for 5 miles. I didn't really want to do this, but had to. I'm trying to drop my stats, keeping me in check. We got a Whack Arnold's order, $4 for 2.7 miles right before the lunch hour. Let me get this shit. Oh, Sunnyvale. Wow. I got a Panda, $5 for 2.7 miles. Let's see if it's ready. No, it's not ready, like always. IHOP, $7.50 for 1.5 miles. $7.50 for 1.5 miles. Sure, play us some love, man. You can get a stack. Y'all, we got a B-Dubs order. B-Dubs, $7.50 for 2.7 miles. And I just got a Jersey Mike add-ons. That's $5.50 for like 1.5 miles. All right, this is the second pickup on the stack Jersey Mike's. This is the $5 order. Let's get that. Let me get that. All right, here we go. Let's drop this B-Dubs order off. This is a stacked order. I picked up the first one. It was an Arby's, but this is the second one. It's a $6 for 1.5 miles. Star of India order. Star of India. We got a Greek Cravens order, $6.50 plus for 2 miles. Let me get that. Okay, I'm at Starbucks. The inside is closed. They got a note at the door, but I had to cancel my last order at Panera Bread. It's my favorite place to go, but I had to cancel it because the list of orders is way too long, and my order is not moving up the list. I was there for 15 minutes. Order before that, I was waiting 30 minutes. Now I'm in the drive-thru waiting probably another 10 to 5 minutes till I get this order. So let's go. The line of cars wrapped around the corner. I'm at Starbucks right now picking up a $4 order. Been waiting for like 10-15 minutes. So all right, I got Panda Express stacked and a Red Robin, $6 plus for both orders. Hopefully it's ready, but man, so far I've been having a problem with wait times. It's crazy, but shit, we'll see. The same person. It's for Alex too. Let's grab this and go. Hey, we winding down the last orders of the first half. We got a Petco and a Taco Bell stacked order. So let's go ahead and grab this Petco and then Taco Bell. All right, the second pickup off that stacked order. This Taco Bell. Yep, and it's ready. second order was right next door to the other customer, so drop this one off.